Welcome back to my tiny kitchen. Watch this video and learn how to make this 4-layered Snickers brownie recipe that is nutty, gooey, decadent and oh so moreish. These are the ingredients for the brownie layer. Remember the recipes in the description. Melt the butter in a small saucepan on low heat. In the meantime, whip the sugar and eggs together until light and fluffy, then keep aside for later. Once the butter has melted, add in the dark chocolate and mix until smooth. Add the chocolate mix into the egg mix and whisk until fully incorporated. Then, add in the dry ingredients and mix together until there are no longer any lumps of flour or cocoa powder. Scrape out into a prepared brownie tray that has baking paper that is 2 inches higher than the baking tin on the sides. And then bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Avoid overbaking as this could result in a cakey brownie. These are the ingredients for the caramel and peanut layer. Scatter the peanuts over the brownie after it has cooled down. On medium heat, caramelize the sugar until it is light amber in color. Mix in the water, and then the double cream. Cook the caramel for about 5 to 8 minutes, constantly stirring to avoid it burning. This is what the caramel would look like when it's ready. Add the caramel over the peanuts and then spread. Leave to cool at room temperature before placing in the refrigerator. These are the ingredients for the soft caramel nougat layer. In a heat-proof bowl, mix the canned caramel until smooth. Then mix in the marshmallow fluff and leave aside for later. In a saucepan over medium heat, boil the evaporated milk, sugar and butter together. Cook until the mixture resembles thickened condensed milk, constantly stirring to avoid burning. Once ready, fold into the marshmallow fluff mixture, and pour it over the caramel peanut layer. Spread and then leave to cool at room temperature before placing in the refrigerator. For the rich dark chocolate layer, bring the double cream to the boil, then remove from the heat and add in the dark chocolate. Leave to stand for a minute before mixing until smooth. Pour this over the chilled nougat layer and spread evenly. Place in the refrigerator to set for about 15 minutes before cutting into desired sizes and indulging. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out these other videos for more ideas.